lovely people. Today I have a super exciting video because I have something incredible for you. Yes, I am doing a £500 beauty giveaway. So £500 worth of some incredible beauty products, and these are a collection of products that I have been using for a while, or products I have just discovered recently, products I have been sent two of, products that I love, and I bought a spare one so it can be for this giveaway. Lots and lots of super treats all bundled together, available for one of you lucky YouTube subscribers to win. And that's basically it. You just need to be subscribed to my YouTube channel in order to win the huge bundle. One of the main reasons why I am putting this beauty giveaway together and offering it as a giveaway is because, as you all know, my YouTube channel is still very new. It has only been running for about 3 or 4 months now. I haven't been able to put super amounts of effort into it yet, but I will be doing from this month, and it's just kind of a celebration of kickstarting the beauty channel, because I do a lot of beauty reviews on here. It's basically saying thank you to those who have come and discovered the channel and want to join me for the rest of the journey, and also just because I love beauty and I'm very generous. Well, I like to say that anyway. Yeah, and then basically it's just a big thank you to you guys. I will be running lots of little giveaways and competitions along the way, so please do join my YouTube journey. I appreciate every single one of you, and if you have your own channel, just let me know, because I always want to subscribe to new people, always want to discover new people on YouTube, so just let me know in the comments. Yeah, so all you have to do to enter is just to subscribe to the channel. Before I go into a little bit more about what is involved in the giveaway and all the fantastic products that make up the £500 value, I'm just going to quickly show you some products that I'm absolutely loving at the moment. So it's just a little bit of a rundown of some products that I've been using over the last few weeks, or some that have just landed on my doorstep in the last few days, and the ones that I have received and cannot get enough of at the moment. The first one is Protein World Collagen Capsules. So collagen is so important for the skin. I've been using collagen tablets, mainly taking them at night, because I have heard that they work best on an empty-ish stomach. So obviously if you have them just before you go to bed and then you're not really filling your stomach with anything as you sleep, they're supposed to work better. Now, I don't know if that's a myth, so don't quote me on that or not. It's just what I found with a bit of research. So I've been taking these collagen tablets, and I have noticed that whilst I've been taking them, my skin is looking a little bit more fresher, it's looking a little bit more youthful, and I'm waking up with a little bit of a more glow. It does take a while. I've been using these Protein World collagen capsules for about a month now, and this is my second bottle, but up to now, absolutely fantastic, so just wanted to let you know about that. I also got sent this Lee Stafford Beach Blonde Ice White Shampoo. So I have a confession, I haven't used this yet. I have not used it, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to be using it from next week, and I'm going to be posting some images on my Instagram and my blog, which shows the difference after I've used it. I think it's perfect for me because my blonde is a little bit brassy, just have a few warm tones, so I'm really excited to show you the results of that one. I have a confession, I haven't used fake tan for about 6 months, hence why I'm quite pasty, although we have had some really nice UK weather lately, so maybe I do have a little bit of a tint. But this natural bronze body lotion from Palmer's got delivered to me probably about a week ago, and I've used it once, so that was the first time I have used fake tan in 2018. I put a very light covering on last week, and I saw a lovely subtle golden glow straight away. So I'm going to use it for the second time today, but what I love about Palmer's is that it's just so affordable. It's just so cheap, so affordable. And I just love gradual tans. It smells delicious, it has coconut oil in it, I just can't rave about this brand enough, so I'm really excited to be using this, so I'll let you know how I get on with it. A brand I had not heard of before is Dr. Roebuck's, and I got these two products to try out, and I'm very super excited about these because I just love moisturisers, I love face masks, I love scrubs. Basically I love products that have natural ingredients too. So this Dr. Roebuck's 2-in-1 mask and scrub has jojoba beads, peppermint, and I can't pronounce it very well, kaolin, I think that's right. So I'm going to be trying this out this week. It has some really good reviews, and also a hydrating facial moisturiser. Now why I absolutely love this so far, because I've been using it for the last few days, is that it has hyaluronic acid in it, but not only does it have that, it has vitamin E and macadamia oil. Hyaluronic acid is my favourite favourite ingredient at the moment. I find that sometimes glycolic acid can be a little bit, not harsh on my skin, but because I suffer breakouts, sometimes it can make them worse before they get better. Hyaluronic acid, on the other hand, gives my skin the moisture it needs. It makes it soft, supple, moisturised, and I get absolutely no side effects. So these two products I really am loving, and I'll be doing a full blog post review on these soon too. I've not tried this yet, but this got delivered the other day, and it's the Nano Blur by Indeed Labs, and I have wanted to get my hands on this product for so long. It's not new, it's quite a cult favourite, it's been going for a while. It blurs imperfections, it gives your skin that kind of like filter look before you apply your makeup. But for me, I want to wear this on the days where I work from home and I don't really see anyone other than the postman, my boyfriend, if anyone pops around, but just so I don't frighten myself when I look in the mirror. So again, a review will be coming up for this. And last but not least, S-Bar. So I have been using S-Bar for, I'd say about 2 weeks that I've been using this product for. I haven't used the products in this kit yet because it is called the Beauty Explorer Collection, and it is a fantastic travel kit. Now I go to Portugal at the end of the month, so I will be taking that with me, so I'm not using it until the end of the month. So I can't review that, but I will show you what's inside. This product, however, is the S-Bar Tri-Active Advanced Instant Facial, and I absolutely adore this. It reminds me of when I go to spas and salons and I have a facial and they use the real professional S-Bar skincare. So this obviously is a product that they use. At the moment, I'm just finding that when I use it, it's completely giving my complexion just like a new lease of life. It goes all dewy and glowy, and because I suffer from pigmentation, like quite a lot of freckles and acne marks on my cheeks, I find that it does, like, I wouldn't say makes them disappear, but it just softens them. They're just not as prominent after a couple of uses of this. It acts as like a serum on my skin, and at the moment I'm just getting really good results, and because it's age defying, I think it's going to be one that I'm going to see results the longer I use it too, for my fine lines and little wrinkles that are forming. So again, I'm absolutely loving S-Bar, but I'll just quickly show you what's in the Beauty Explorer collection, and then obviously, as with everything else, I do a big review on the blog, so that will be coming soon. But in here, as you can see, there's quite a lot of little products, and we have a smooth and firm body butter, an energising shower gel, skin rescue balm, a optimal skin pro cleanser, knocking myself out, purifying shampoo, a nourishing conditioner, and then there's two little glass bottles which I'll pull out because I can't see them. There we go. There's an Optimal Skin Pro Serum. So I tell a lie, I've used this before. I got it as a sample after I had a facial. It's literally like a really indulgent, intense serum. It just completely moisturises your skin, but just makes it just feel so much more repaired and like restructured. So that would be a really good one for me to bring on my holiday, because I get really dry and dull skin when I go away. And then this one here is a hydrating floral spritz. So again, absolutely perfect for the holidays. And then there's two other products in here that are really tucked away. A pink hair and scalp mud, and the Optimal Skin Pro Moisturiser. So as you can see, the sizes of them are perfect for going away. You can put any of the little sachets or any little products into here, zip it up, put this in your suitcase, and it's the perfect selection of beauty products to take on holiday. They all smell incredible. So that's some products that I'm loving at the moment that I had to tell you about, but let's get on to this giveaway. Okay, so not everything that is included in the £500 giveaway is here, because otherwise this video will be like half an hour long. So I'm just going to touch on some of the amazing bits that you can win. So let's start with one of the areas of the giveaway. So as you can see here, there are tons and tons of lashes. Lots of false lashes here, and there is actually £120 worth of false lashes. So you've got the good old eyelaw here, and then the rest are a range of 3D mink lashes, and they are absolutely beautiful. They are really, really fluttery and fluffy lashes, and altogether this values at £120, so you have all the lashes you will ever need. And moving on slightly, we have a Blow gift card, which is loaded with £20. So Blow Ltd is a on-demand beauty service where you can get makeup artists, hairstylists, lash specialists, nail services straight to your door. They also have salons in Manchester, Birmingham and London as well. So there is a hefty £20 loaded onto that. Again, a very similar service. There is £50 and this is on RUUBY. So again, it's a beauty demand service, and then you can book any treatments for a £50 beauty voucher. We also have a cheeky little red lipstick here from Lord & Berry. A beautiful Empowering Women silver chain, which I just thought I would throw in because I love to celebrate the whole girl boss. And then this is a fantastic tangle teaser. It's a professional one that they use in the salons. It's metallic purple, and I thought I would add this in too. Followed by Beautyblender and the Beautyblender cleansing oil. Spinning over here we have Imperial Leather Rainbow Unicorn Body Foam. I think that's pretty much it in a nutshell. How sassy would that be in your shower? I actually want to keep that for myself. Oh, it's marshmallow as well. Super, super cool. Then we have Kim Kardashian's favourite brand. We have Manuka Doctor, where we have a lip enhancing balm and a normalising Manuka oil serum for the skin. I've also thrown in bio oil because it is a favourite to many, many people, and I think it's an essential in the beauty collection. So there you go. There is an Omravitsa Firming Body Oil, which is complete luxury. The very expensive Omravitsa products. So I thought I would save that one for this giveaway. There is a Liquid Chrome Highlighter from Barry M. And then here, these retail at £15 each, and they are liquid eyeshadows where they come on the stick and they are metallic shades. So we've got 4 of them here that I have thrown in for you. And then look here, we have a selection of MAC makeup. So I'm not going to go into exactly what they are, but they are premium MAC products and the huge favourites. I thought I would add them in. One of them is a MAC mascara, so I will go into detail on that one because MAC mascaras are fantastic. I had to add one of those in. We have a brush from Eco Tools, which is basically it's ideal for a highlighter. So if you put liquid highlighter onto the tops of your cheeks, because it's got this type of head, you can buff that into the skin. Then we have a range of super cool hair products. These are all premium salon brands, premium beautiful luxury hair brands. And then we got a bit of fake tan too. Some sweeties, because everybody deserves sweets. This is from Harvey Nichols. It's a bit of a surprise, but basically it's 3 luxury products in there. They retail quite expensive actually. I think the whole giveaway is actually more than £500, but I've just rounded it down. Anyway, it's a bit of a surprise what's in there. And then look here, 3 Illamasqua eye palettes. A whole 3 Illamasqua palettes for you. I can't do this one-handed very well, but as you can see, that's a little sneak peek. And in this one, more shades. So that is very nice. I would like to keep them for myself, but I'm being generous. They're off on a lucky winner. A nice little luxury fragrance. We've got some skincare in here, and then lip glosses, which retail again, I think about £12 each. And then some other lip glosses. Lots and lots of products, but this is just a little snapshot of some of the things that you can win in my giveaway. Thank you for watching, and all you have to do to be in with a chance of winning is to subscribe to my channel. I promise it's going to be full of lots of exciting beauty, fashion, lifestyle, food content for the rest of this year. It's going to be getting quite busy YouTube with lots going on, and especially with the introduction of a weekly vlog too, which I'll be doing. So fingers crossed for you all. Hit that subscribe button, leave a comment underneath if you like, and the winner will be announced in 2 weeks' time. Good luck, guys!